New at 6, members of the media and public were kicked out of a public building today as the corruption trial of a long-serving sheriff got off to a rocky start in Limestone County.
Now, this is news in our area because a former Baldwin County judge is at the center of the controversy. NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson joins us live now. Rachel, this move to continue in secrecy not sitting well with legal watchdogs.
No, it's not, Greg. They say transparency is the most important part of restoring the public's trust.
Over the last, couple of centuries of our country, even in the highest profile cases, we don't bar journalists or any observer who can actually enter the courtroom.
I've never heard of one being closed to the public in circumstances such as this, especially when it involves a public official.
Judge Pamela Bashab, who retired from Baldwin County's Criminal Court of Appeals, is a special judge in the case of Alabama's longest-serving sheriff, Mike Blakely. Blakely is facing 11 felony charges for allegedly embezzling funds from his office and campaign account. The judge's bailiff told reporters today the proceedings were closed off to the public over security concerns. This move has generated a lot of public attention, and Judge Bashab's decision to close the doors to the public has not only journalists but attorneys scratching their heads.
One of the worst things you can do in a situation such as this is to cast any doubt upon the fact that the system is going to operate fairly and above board. And any time you pull down the shades of silence or the shades of where people cannot see what's occurring, you create suspicion. And that's a bad thing to do. That the right of being present by the public and the media should never be stopped unless it's absolutely necessary or is statutorily required.
Alabama law mandates that jury trials be open to the public but can be closed for rape cases and others. Al Tompkins with the Poynter Institute says right now there is too much speculation.
Open up the trial, open up the hearing, and get on with the business of the court.
North Alabama journalists have demanded a copy of the judge's order to keep the public out of the courtroom. So far, they haven't been presented one or found one in court records. Whetstone says that is unusual. The Alabama Broadcasters Association says it's likely to step in. Andrea.